Hello, everyone, and welcome back to After Hour Idioms. I'm your host, David, and I'm happy to introduce to you our very cheerful, very happy, and wonderful teacher, Pauline!
Hi there, David.
Well, Pauline, you don't seem very cheerful today.
I know, I'm sorry. It's just that Josh has to go on another business trip for 2 weeks away from me. I hate it.
I mean, think of it this way. Absence makes the heart grow fonder.
Yeah, or out of sight, out of mind.
Pauline, I'm sure that your husband is not going to forget about you after 2 weeks.
Yeah, well, okay. Hopefully.
Well, to focus on the happy idiom that we're teaching today, absence makes the heart grow fonder just means that being separated from someone often causes you to appreciate them more.
Yeah, and that is true, right? Mm-hmm. When somebody is gone, and when I think about my husband being gone, I start to miss him because I remember all the good things about him, all the ways he makes my life better. So I think it is true. Now, friends, this isn't a phrase you would just add inside a sentence. It's kind of its own sentence, its own proverb that you throw out when the situation is right. And usually that situation involves romantic partners.
That's right. So Pauline talking about remembering the good things about her husband is absence making the heart grow fonder. Or even if I was away from my family for a long time. Maybe when I'm living at home, I'm very stressed out by my family. But then I move away and suddenly I start to miss home. Absence makes the heart grow fonder.
Yeah.
Now we have another idiom, but first I want to share with you I got a piece of fan mail.
Really?
From one of our viewers.
Like real mail. Amazing.
Yeah. And they said that the show is really great and they like it a lot. And I think that probably that means that I'm going to win some awards and I'm going to be famous and we're going to go viral. We're going to be the most watched video on YouTube.
Okay. Woo, David, one swallow doesn't make a summer. I mean, this is awesome. And, we'll probably be famous, you're right. But this doesn't for sure mean that.
I guess so. One swallow does not make a summer. It just means that a single moment of good fortune does not mean that a whole situation will improve.
Exactly, right. Sometimes we might use this to kind of give somebody a reality check like I did with David when they're excited about something, or when they're more optimistic than you are. For example, maybe someone's talking about politics. I might say, the president's first week in office actually went really well. He might not be as bad as I thought.
Yeah, well, one swallow does not make a summer. Let's wait and see how this plays out. Right?
Exactly. All right, well, that's a good example.
Thank you guys so much for joining us for another episode of After Hour Idioms. Don't count your swallows before they summer. Well, anyway, enjoy the good things, but know that you got to take the good with the bad. Hey, listen, we'll see you guys next time on After Hour Idioms.